So you want to get Premiere Pro to do some video editing, but you don't want to pay the price to get it, because it's way too much. Well, you've come to the right place, where I'll show you today how to get it for absolutely free. And it doesn't even take very long. So in the video description, you'll find this link over here, and you're going to want to click that, and it'll take you to a page that looks like this. There'll be a big ad here, but you can ignore that, and you just have to wait for this 2 seconds up here, and then click skip ad. You can close this tab that you just clicked off, and here you're going to have to click allow. It doesn't work if you click block, but then you'll be sent to here, and here you're going to want to click download. It might look a bit different because I'm using the desktop app, but you just click download over here and it should download, and you'll get a file that looks like this. Now, you don't need for it, but you might want to get it. It's called WinRAR, and you just search it up and click it, and you can download it for Windows 10. And once you get to here, you're going to want to click right click and extract here. If you're not using WinRAR, it should be something similar. Let this extract. It shouldn't take very long. And now you should have a folder that's next to it. Double click that, go to setup, and then double click the setup.exe. You want to click yes here. If it doesn't show up for you, that's just because it's built into Windows. And now over here, language, you can choose this. I'm just going to leave it. And default location, you can change this again if you want to. I'm just going to leave it on default. Then you hit continue, and just leave it till it downloads. And now you can see here it's been successfully installed. Hit close. And now what you're going to want to do is go into your file explorer. If you installed it to somewhere different, you're going to have to go there, but if not, default location, go to your boot drive, which is C. Find program files, go to Adobe, and here you find Premiere Pro 2020. Scroll down a bit, and you'll find this. You want to click it, right click, send to desktop. Now you can close out of everything, and you'll find here, it'll probably have the logo. It just doesn't have it for me because I had a Premiere Pro installed previously. But now you've got Adobe here. If you can double click this, Premiere Pro comes up, works perfectly fine. And here you can see it works perfectly normally, as you would expect it to. Home comes up. Again, it shows up this previously because I've previously had this installed. But that's the end of the tutorial. It's that easy. Thanks for watching. If this worked for you, or if you have any questions, please leave it in the comments, and I'll see you next time.